Minexa is designed for scale. One scraper trained once can process hundreds of thousands of pages consistently without rebuilding or maintenance. Today, we'll use it to scrape job listings from usajobs.gov with ease and precision. Head to the usajobs.gov page you want. Minexa handles pages that load content dynamically, including infinite scroll, load more buttons, and delayed rendering. Open the Minexa extension. Turn any live page into data without writing anything. Press the button, and Minexa detects how the page loads more data, whether through pages, scrolling, or dynamic updates. Full dataset coverage is set. Minexa identified how the site pages through results and will follow it every time. Select List Only to scrape just the items visible on the results page, or enable detail pages to also open each row and scrape its full content. Continue works for most pages. Advanced mode is for interactive layouts, where data only appears after the user does something first. Click Create Scraper. No manual field setup is needed at this stage. Every detected field is visible. Select from the list, or click directly on the page to choose what to extract, such as job title, location, department, and posting date. Click API Request to get the full Python request with rendering, retries, and proxy settings already configured for this scraper. No automatic fill-ins. Click Complete Configuration, and missing fields will always come back blank. Your scraper is set to go beyond page 1. All pages will be collected automatically on every run. Almost done. If you want this scraper to run automatically, set a schedule here before creating the job. Click Run, and Minexa applies deterministic extraction rules. Reruns on unchanged pages produce identical outputs for reproducibility. Alongside the visible fields like job titles, locations, and posting dates, hidden data such as job IDs, image URLs, and nested details are also captured. Minexa returns everything in a format that preserves the original page structure, ensuring full data integrity. Click Export. The file is ready immediately for anyone to open, whether technical or not. Install Minexa and go from any website to a structured dataset in minutes. No selectors, no infrastructure, no maintenance.